my channel, Baking and Buttercream. In today's Behind the Buttercream video, we're doing
the Pancake Art Challenge!
That's what I was gonna say.
Yeah, but I say it so much better than he does. We're gonna go over some rules and how this is gonna play out. And basically what's gonna happen is that I'm gonna make a pancake using over here while he makes a pancake over here.
We each have 2 minutes to put any batter that we want onto this stove based off the ideas in this little bowl that we have written down. So we draw the idea, then we make a pancake out of it. There will be a little camera right here, so you'll see that, just so that way you can see a close-up view of what we're making. Okay guys, so one thing to mention before we get started, we have other anonymous judges, so that way we can see who's the better pancake artist.
And the loser is going to be having to take a huge spoonful of raw cocoa powder.
Without further ado, let's see what our first prompt is.
DC Comics.
Think of your idea real quick.
I feel like an idiot. I got it.
All right, I got mine. Let's start round one.
All right, ready? Go.
This is not looking too good.
No, it is not. Grab.
Ooh, actually that's looking decent.
Mine just looks like a blob.
All right, I'm all done. Time, oof. All right, all we can do now is flip it. All right, time for the flip. Okay. Doesn't look incredibly awful. No.
I totally lost this one.
Okay, even though mine is incredibly awful, we don't need a judge on this round. All right, so what do you think? How do you think I did for the flash symbol? All right, next round. This time I'm choosing. Okay. All right, I have emoji.
Yay.
Okay, I think I know what emoji I'm gonna do. All right, and go. Wait, you start it?
Oh, no, I haven't started.
I'm winning. Oh, that's wonderful. Oh my goodness, Jamal.
I kind of read.
No! I tried making the emoji with hard eyes. Yeah, that failed.
I think mine mostly looks like, actually yours looks more like crap than mine.
Oh no, dang it. Oh.
Yeah, they're not ready yet. You just give them a couple minutes.
Oh, I already flipped it. He made too big of a pancake. He has to double spatch. Oh!
Hey, I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna be fine. It just looks like a pancake with red and black. Like you just gotta put like a red and black dot on it. That's really it. All right, let's see mine. Oh! It still kind of looks like the person I made. I mean, the eye's a little wonky.
Look at that.
The eyebrow, one eyebrow is like above the other, like, hey.
He's like.
But it looks like a deranged sort of penguin here. Let me.
Okay, next round. All right, we have. Oh, well, you want to do that one?
No. Toy Story.
Cool.
Dang it. Go.
This looks like it's going to be another emoji already. All right, I need that blue.
I'm not done with it.
Oh, what are you trying to make?
It's the cloud from Andy's bedroom with the blue wall. Oh, is it the ball?
Yeah, the Pixar balls. I'm all done. It doesn't.
Well, we had 13 seconds to spare on that one.
I feel like either way we failed.
I did pretty
Instead of a star, I have a red blob.
I got a cloud.
And flip.
Mine doesn't seem ready still. I might need your spatula again.
Yeah, why do you keep making them so huge?
I'm not an artist, so I need my art to be bigger.
Careful with the camera, Jamal.
Ooh. So as you guys can definitely tell, I'm no artist.
All right, and today, let me grab another one. Random. And it is Marvel! Let's start this next round.
Alrighty. 3, 2, 1, go. This is not gonna look like what I'm thinking. Ooh.
I think like Iron Man's helmet.
Yeah. I mean, actually, that doesn't look too bad. It looks somewhat like it.
Captain America is my favorite, for those who didn't know. He's the best and first Avenger. He looks so sad.
No, that's not a sad
it's like
face.
Iron Man if Pepper left him.
Ha!
the timer was about to end.
Well, it's not my job to tell you. What am I supposed to do? Bake the pancake and also look at the timer? Actually,
I'm giving you stuff that's over here. That just opened up. All right, now we're waiting for these to flip. Man, this one's huge. Can you tell this looks like Captain America's thing?
Can you tell this looks
Can
like
you take
Iron
parts off of your pancake? We never said that rule.
Man? No, you cannot take stuff off your pancake because you already attached it.
What if it falls off?
Well, don't cheating. If it does fall off like on accident, then sure.
I don't think your pancake's ready, man.
No, I think it's ready now.
It's not. It's not ready. Jamal.
Sorry guys for the technical difficulties. I accidentally knocked over our camera and we had to put it back up.
Boom! I just flipped that with only one. And that's still attached, sadly.
Alright, let's see how mine looks. Okay, I guess what I'm gonna have to do is show this side because that's gonna look the most like it.
I think I won this round.
No, I don't think so. I mean, Dad or Mom might actually like say this one. And we can grab one. Okay, cool. Beauty and the Beast.
Oh, cool! I have no idea what I'm doing for this one.
Go.
This is like real pancake art. You know, other people practice beforehand.
Yeah.
Not us.
Oh, I get it. You're doing Lumiere.
Yeah.
Nice. Actually, that does not look like a bad rose. Actually, that's not too bad. I mean, it's not amazing.
How much time do I have left?
You got 25 seconds.
Oh, okay, cool.
4, 3.
I'm all done.
1. Okay, cool. All right. I think mine might be ready to flip.
You need another one?
Yeah, I might. Here.
Don't hit the camera.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, it still looks good. It still looks good.
Actually, I'm kind of impressed.
Yeah, kind of.
Actually, I don't know how I'm gonna flip this. I have to do a little bit of surgery. Look, I mean, if that
looks like a marshmallow on with the yellow body.
Okay guys, so as you just saw, the judge chose only 2 of mine.
And 3 of mine! So, William, how's it feel being the biggest loser? William lost the challenge, so that means he has to take a spoonful of chocolate cocoa.
Just cocoa powder. That's enough.
That's too little.
That is enough.
That is not a spoonful. It is not covering the entire spoon.
Yeah, but it's covering over the spoon. Okay. I can't wallow.
You need a trash can?
Mm-hmm.
Don't cough into the cup. I actually want to try it. Here, really, open that up.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so I don't have to do this, but I actually want to try it because I've never had cocoa powder before.
Oh
so
wow,
here's how it tastes.
really did.
You got like some on your cheek, the other side. You got like chocolate all over your teeth too.
Mm-hmm. That really did go everywhere.
Oh, okay. Let's see. So I'm not trying a full spoonful, but
Guys, don't do that. That is horrible. Now I see why they say not to do that. You can't swallow.
No, sorry, I'll clean it up.
Guys, seriously, this is like the worst thing ever.
Yeah.
Man, it's horrible.
Oh, yeah, that's terrible. I thought it was gonna be way better than that.
No, it coats the inside of your mouth, and then basically it's like there's like, it's horrible. Do not try that at home.
Oh my word, that was terrible.
Ugh.
I was just doing it because I was curious, but that is terrible.
Don't do this at home. This is going to be the end of the Behind the Buttercream video. Subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload. Don't forget to comment down another challenge you want us to do, and hopefully the punishment will not be cocoa powder again. Like this video, share it with all your friends. Click one of these 2 videos over here. This one YouTube recommends, I recommend this one, and click the baking and buttercream icon over here to subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna take my brother to a hospital because
I don't need a hospital. I need water or milk.
Alright, see you guys.